Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Esther and this is Q-Est Fashion Hub. If this is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome to the family. Kindly hit that subscribe button and join the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. You are the best. So thank you for all the comments, the likes and the love. I really appreciate all of them. So guys, in today's tutorial, we're going to be doing a bra. Yeah, a bra. So if you check the thumbnail very well, this bra is divided into four. We have the main body of the bra, the main body, the side, there's another rope that will be at the back that we'll use to tie the bra, and also there's another one at the middle. I've cut out my pieces. I'm going to be explaining to you what I cut out. So this is the main body of the bra, and the length I'm using is 16 inches. Okay, let's say 15.75 inches by 7 inches. Hope you can see 7 inches by 15.75. Okay, the next one is the side. This is it. I cut it on fold, so I'm just detaching it from each other, slashing it open. So what I did here was, the length of it is 6 and this is 6 and quarter, 6.25 inches. So this part is 4.5 inches. What I did was to draw a rectangle here, a rectangle that is 4.5 by 4.5. So I marked the middle of the rectangle. I connect this part. I marked one inch for this part. So I connected it from this part to meet with this part, half an inch at the middle to this part and half an inch at the middle to this part. So I connected it. I draw a straight line with my ruler and my marker to this part. That is how I got this part, this shape that I have here. So this is like 1 inch, yeah, 1 inch by 6.25. Hope you can see it. 6.25. This part is 4.5 inches. So I have two pieces of it because one is going to be at the side and the other one is going to be at the other side. I hope that is clear. So moving to the rope that is going to be at the side, the length I'm using is 14 inches. Hope you can see it. 14 inches by 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches by 14 inches. So I am cutting two of this. Hope that is clear. Two of this. And this one I'm using 45 inches. I'm going to be cutting it on fold. So I'm just trying to explain. So by the time I cut it, I'll cut double of this. It means that I'm going to be cutting this on fold. I'll fold my fabric. If you don't understand what I mean by unfold, I'll fold my fabric like this. I'm going to be placing this on it. So it's going to be on fold. By the time I open, it's going to be 45 inches by 1.5. I hope that is clear. So these are the four pieces I'm going to be using. I will need one of these, two of these, I have two of these and one of these. So I'm also going to be using bony for this bra. So when it is time for me to use this, I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using it for. So guys, I've cut out the material, the main material. This is the main body of the bra. These are the two sides. Sorry, these are the two sides. One at this other side, one at the side. So okay. This is the long one I'm talking about. 45 inches by 1.5. Sorry, this is it. And these are the two pieces that I said, 14 inches by 14 inches by 1.5. So I'm also going to be needing some little pieces, but when it is time for me to use them, I will let you know what I'm going to be using them for. So now let's move to the sewing of this bra. The first thing I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be hemming this like this, half an inch I'll fold this half an inch up and down. Hope that is clear. Half here, half here. I'm going to be hemming that. So after that, I'll come back and show you. Sorry, before I go, after hemming up here and up here, I'm going to be stitching this like this. I'll fold it together and stitch it by 1/4 of an inch. So I'm going to be turning it inside out. I'll do the same thing to the other one and this long one that is 45 inches. So I will do all of these and come back and show you the next thing I'm going to be doing. So guys, I've gone ahead to hem all of them, the parts, this part, and also hem this part. I've also joined this part and I turned them inside out. This is the long one, these are the two. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is that, look at this part. I'm going to be placing it this way. Remember, this part is bigger than this part, so I'm just going to be pleating it to fit into this part like this. After pleating, I will join it this way. I'll repeat the same process to the other side. I'm going to be pleating it like this at the middle, and I'm going to be joining it. After that, I'll come back and show you the next thing I'm going to be doing. So friends, I've gone ahead to join this part. I pleated it so that it can enter this way. You know, this part is bigger than this part. So like I explained earlier, I pleated it and I did the same thing to the other side. So at this point, there was no light, so I had to use my manual machine to finish this video. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is that, remember I said I have two of these ones, two of it. So I'm going to be joining one of it. Watch what I'm going to, like this. Take one of these and one of this. So I'm going to be placing it this way, and I will join it like this. I'll place the other one also to the other side, and I'm going to be joining it also. So this is what we are going to be using it to tie it at the back. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is that I folded it into two like this. Like this, I hope you can see, and I marked the midpoint of this one. So this is the midpoint. I hope you can see the line that is here. So I cut out this piece. This piece is 2 inches by after hemming, because you're going to be folding this part to have a neat finishing, and this other part. So after hemming, I have 1.5 inches by 6.25. It is what you have here from here to here that you're going to be using to cut out this piece. I hope that is clear. So right here I have 1.5 inches by 6.25. I'm going to be placing it this way, like this, making sure that it is the midpoint of this one. See what I'm doing? The midpoint, I'll place it at the midpoint like so. So I'm going to be stitching it down here, and I will stitch this part also down. So I will run a straight stitch, dividing it into 2 equal parts. I hope that is clear. So that is what I'm going to be doing. I will stitch it down this way. All the way. So I will do that now and join this other side. So I'll come back and show you the next thing to do. So this is how far we've gone. I've done this part. This is it. Is opening at the middle. I stitch it like I explained earlier. So, and this part also, I've joined both of it. So we are gradually coming to the end of this video. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is that this part, I measure what I have here. What I have here is 4 inches. So I subtract ½ inch from the 4, which is 3.5. Let's say 3.5 inches. Okay, so 3.5 inches, and I cut bony. This is a bony we are going to be using. I cut 2 of it. Is measuring 3.5. So what I'm going to do here now is to place this one here like this, like this. After placing it, I'm going to be stitching it down at this part and stitching it down at this part. I'm going to be inserting my boning inside after I'm done stitching it. By the time I insert the boning inside, I'll close this part and close this part. I hope that is clear. I will do the same thing to this other part. Let me explain it again. I'll place it this way. I'll stitch it down at this side. So I will put the bony inside. Then after inserting the bony inside, I'll close this part and close this part. After that, I'll come back and show you the next thing I'm going to be doing. Pass it inside like this, and I pass it inside again. This is how it's looking like. So what we do here is to pull it this way. So this is it. I'll wear it on the mannequin now to show you the final look. So guys, this is the final look of the bra with a drawstring at this part. So it's a very simple one. You can do it also. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified whenever we upload new videos. My name is Esther and this is Q-Est Fashion Hub. Don't stop learning, keep learning. This is me signing out, but before I sign out, I want to show you the back view of this bra. Look at it. This is the back view. So this is me signing out. Till I see you next time. Stay blessed. Bye bye. Love you guys.